This comes from a couple of different places. So the energy comes from a couple of different places. In fact, it only comes from one place. It only comes from this process. But this process happens in a few different ways. Now, as you guys are sitting here now, you have some ATP circulating in your body. So that's called stored ATP. And that's just all these little batteries floating around in your blood, ready to go. So if I said to you now, sprint down the end of the road, you're going to sprint for 20 meters. You know, it's going to take you 5 seconds. You would be able to use the ATP that's there already in your body, and you can use that ATP to fuel that. Yeah, it's already there, it's instant. Which is useful, because if you've got a 100-meter sprint, a 20-meter sprint, a single deadlift, it's really good to have that energy very fast, on call, good to go. However, if that 100-meter sprint turns into 400, 2K, 20K, you no longer have enough circulating ATP in your body to be able to fuel that. So this stored ATP is really, really good for a very, very short amount of time. After that, it doesn't really help as much.